Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Alif Zaki Al Bukhari, and people usually call me Alif. I am a student of grade 12 Electrical Engineering 1, and I'm also in the Japanese internship specialization class. Today, I would like to share my internship experience at PTUSG Indonesia, United Steel Center Indonesia. At the beginning of my internship, I came with two of my friends, Abin and Bagas. On the first day, I was placed in the production department, specifically in the pallet making section. I enjoyed working there because the seniors were very keen. Every day, during break time or after lunch, they often brought us a snack. 30 minutes before the end of the workday, I was usually given the chance to clean up the wood, dust, and small pieces from cutting. After spending 2 months in the pallet production section, I moved I moved to the GA General Affairs Department. GA was also fun because the people were friendly and keen, and they sometimes brought us snack during the lunch break. The daily tasks in GA were not too heavy. My usual jobs were feeding the fish, cleaning the yard, and watering the grass and plants. After 2 months in GA, I was moved again to the maintenance department. The reason we moved every 2 months was so that the three of us could experience all the departments. In the maintenance depar- in the maintenance department, I felt very comfortable because the senior were extremely keen. Our main task was to arrange the tools that had been used by the previous shift. However, however, my actual job there was a bit different from the different from the department's usual work. I was asked to continue a project for building a new spare part room, which was only about 30% complete. So during my time in maintenance, I mostly worked on constructing the spare part room. The best part was that every day before going home, I always received a snack bag containing pop me, milk in a box and can, bread, and sachet of coffee. At the beginning, three at the beginning there we were three of us, Bagas, Abin, and me. When we first entered, Abin worked in the GA section and Bagas worked in maintenance. After 4 months in pallet production and GA, I moved to maintenance. In maintenance, there were there were two of us because Bagas never moved from that section. In the afternoon shift, we were divided into two tasks. Sometimes Bagas followed the senior to repair my chains and I stayed in the room to continue making the spare part room. Sometimes it was the opposite, opposite, opposite. Every day, we always cleaned and we always cleaned the machine filters that were located on top of the machine. To take the filters, we took turns. For example, this week I went up, next week Bagas went up, and I couldn't I and it continued like that. When our internship was almost finished, the maintenance team invited us to eat outside. Bagas and I thought we had to pay for yourselves, but actually it was paid by the head of maintenance, Mr. Joko. Before we finished our Before we finish our internship, Bagas and I want to take a photo with the seniors, including the head of maintenance, as a memory. But as usual, boy, when boys are asked to take a picture, there are always causes. For example, my senior said he had work, but actually he was just shy in front of the camera. That is all for my presentation about my internship experience at PTUSG. I apologize for any mistakes in my words. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.